Hello and welcome to another Nomad Sculpt modeling video. Today we're going to do the head. We're going to do a simple male head, and then we're going to do a simple female head. We're just going to use like literally the one we make and then change it up. So yeah, let's get started. As you can see from our reference here, we're going to do the side view. Big circle, kind of a little square there, triangle, and then like a cylinder for the neck part. So yeah, let's get started. All right, we're going to go to the left side. Actually, let's do the right side because we have the reference images. Either way, should be fine. Yeah, left. All right. Let's see. We're gonna do a cylinder. Make it smaller. Left. Like that. Yeah, way smaller. Right? Validate. Then we're gonna add a cube. Bring it this way. Okay. That looks pretty good overall. Okay, and then validate. Now we're gonna add all this together and we're gonna sculpt. Oh, my bad. Remember when we do voxel merge, we do 60 because we're going from low to high poly or resolution. All right, and then voxel merge. Here we are. Let's round things out. Well, sorry, smooth things out. Okay, and this, if we're gonna do symmetry, it's on, yeah, no, it's on the C plane, and it's got to be local. So increase the intensity, keep the radius about the same. There we have it. That's a little better. All right. Side view like that. All right, nice. Okay, let's go to the back view. That's not bad. Let's drag this out, make the radius a little bigger. So it looks like that over there. And we're gonna move this here. Let's go back. All right. Let's drag this up. That's right side. Head's big, but not too big. That's good. All right, let's smooth things out a little more. All right. Looks pretty good. All right, let's continue. That looks pretty good. Left. Let's move this. All right, it's not bad. All right. Increase the intensity if you need to make this. Like that. All right. Now let's see. We got our side view done. Decrease this right here. a little better. And then let's go to the back just to check. Head's more proportional, chin, neck. All right, and let's do somewhat of the ears here. So let's see what we can add. Let's just do a cylinder. We do snap like that, make it smaller. Let's bring it this way. Make it smaller. All right. Oh, still smaller. All right, that's good. Go to the right, and then validate. We're gonna do some dragging here, like this. Oh, decrease the radius. Let's see. Reduce symmetry. So let's bring this back. Symmetry. Make sure it's the local, and we're doing on the Y plane here. All right. Right. So like that. Nice. Let's increase the radius. And okay, that isn't a terrible ear. And let's go this way. Gizmo, go back. That's more proportional. All right, and then we are just gonna go in here, and then let's see. We're not going to. Yeah, okay, go to world, go to the C plane, and then we're gonna do right to left. All right, sweet. All right, and then whatever we do to one side happens to the other, so smooth. Let's smooth this out. Actually, no, we are gonna combine this. That's right. Voxel merge, make sure this is 60. Like, you can do anything below 100. It's really up to you. I'm going 60 just because I find that number interesting, I guess. All right, we got it. Then we're gonna decrease the intensity of smoothing, increase the radius, and then just do it. Yep. Let's do some clay subtraction, increase the intensity, decrease the radius, and then we're just gonna do here. Let's bring that down, actually, the radius. We're not going for spectacular, so don't worry too much. All right. That's good. Smooth it out. Actually, let's do drag here instead. Decrease the radius. All right, not bad. And then just more smoothing. See that this is also happening over here. Good. All right, now let's make our eye indentions. We do some clay here, subtract, and just here. So front. That's not bad. Then let's smooth things out again. And then let's drag things back. All right, so for the nose, let's go to the right side. And it's gonna be like one chunk here. So let's do move, decrease the radius. Increase the radius here. There we are. We can make this nose a little bigger too. All right, sorry about that. All right, let's just add like an object here. Yeah, well, I'll just add a little box. Good. Here, bring it back. This. Make it thinner. Let's go to the little right side. Make it smaller. And let's bring it in here. All right. Oh, take that snap off for the rotations. Okay. Let's go back. We're gonna put it right here. All right, that's pretty good. And then validate. Let's add this box and merge together. 16, that's fine. All right, and then we will smooth things out. It's up to you if you want to make this nose a little bigger or not. We are. Because I have a big nose, and yeah, I want to give exposure, well, what do you call it, representation to people like me, with big noses. All right, that's good. Smooth. There we are. Now we are gonna do the mouth. Let's see. We're gonna do it in a little square as well, and we're gonna actually subtract this. Well, okay. Bring it down. Make it smaller. Right. All right. So. We studied a little drawing or geometry or whatever. I mean, anatomy. You know that like the edge of the eyes are around where the nose should be, and like the middle of the eyes is where the mouth should be. So right about here is good to keep it kind of anatomical. All right. Let's go right here and validate. Now we're gonna take this out. Like this, and then voxel merge. So, and then we're just gonna smooth things out again. And we're gonna have an open mouth like this. Cause, yeah, right? Let's drag this down a little bit. This is apparently where the lips need to be. Right. See, this is pretty good. Normally the head maybe is a little bigger, but let's see. Increase the radius. Yeah, like that. That's pretty good. Okay. Left. Okay. guys have bigger jaws. Okay. God, this guy has no chin. Sorry about that. All right, that's good. This is our head. We are going to leave it without eyes, but if you want, I'll just add them for so we can make it look weird. All right, front. Like that. Validate. All right, and that's our head shape. Let's do symmetry, right to left. Yes. All right, nice. So we got our head. And I think I did say we were gonna, what do you call, do the female head. So yeah, let's do that. All right. And we're just honestly gonna copy this. So let's do voxel. No. Copy this. And let's move it this way. This will be the female. All right, so female head's a little bigger. Headwise, actually. No. Keep on saying actually so much. Sorry about that. Let's drag this out here. Front head is going to be a little bigger. It's going to be more oval shaped. Thinner as well. Nose is going to be smaller. Decrease the radius here. Lips are going to be around the same side. And the chin right here. Thinner chin, thinner jawline. Well, it just depends on the genetics too. Lips are usually thinner or fuller. Again, all genetics. Nose is thinner. Okay. Head is about the same, but at least from what I've seen in reference images, the head is a little, what do you call it? A little more oval-like. That's why it's like this. Okay, so this will be our female shape and our male shape over here. Let's bring these eyes over here. And yeah. Oh, sorry. Clone that. Okay. It's not terrible. Yeah, this is how you make a male and female head just using basic shapes of anatomy. Again, this does improve over time, and just like you, I'm fairly new to it, so just gotta keep practicing. So hope this helps, and see you in the next video. We're gonna put this all together, and yeah, let's see how we can make this look, whether it's gonna be good or practice.